Namaskar friends, welcome to Rajan George Home's next episode. I am an IIT MTech holder and a builder. The aim of this YouTube channel is to share my vast experience in building design and construction. Thereby, you will be able to build a beautiful house. In one video, I have said how we can avoid thermite by making the whole floor area one concrete along with the belt concrete. But if there is thermite in an existing building, for that there should have expert technical people behind it to correct it. Otherwise, you will have a lot of damage from thermite. For that, I am suggesting an international firm having branches all throughout India, almost all cities. That is Pest Control India Limited. You can call their toll-free number 1800-212-2125. For their local number, you can search in Google Pest Control India Limited. Today I am speaking to you about the exact method by which thermite is totally eradicated in a house. This house is being built in Ollur near to Trichur, and the owner of the house is the son of Akarakaran Prabhakaran, Vimal Prabhakaran, and his wife Hima. Both are IT engineers, and Hima is the IT officer in Canara Bank. First, let us see the plan in detail. Here it is, a plan with a 3-car porch, 720 inside. 3 cars can be easily placed, 240 centimeter for each car. Then there is a good veranda in the front along with the car porch. From the veranda, you enter into a big drawing room. TV can be placed in the drawing room, and in between drawing room and dining room, staircase is placed. Here you notice the staircase, the second flight is utilized as a dining portion. So, absolutely no waste for staircase. In the dining portion also, there is provision for watching TV. And in the back side portion, kitchen work area portion is drawn little inclined. That is because of the particular shape of the plot. Kitchen is open kitchen, and the fridge, the sink, stove or hob, etc. are properly designed and placed in the plan, and a breakfast counter is also provided, and work area is also spacious. Then a servant toilet and a storeroom is provided. Here in this house, there are 3 bedrooms in the ground floor. The advantage is, in 2-story buildings, usually the first floor is rarely used. Here, the 3 bedrooms are correctly designed. The beds are so positioned that it is far away from the windows. One side go for the bed, other side for the almari, other sides for the windows when there is cross ventilation. And in the first floor, only 1 bedroom. Here the advantage is, with 1 bedroom and a dressing room and toilet, the whole front is blocked, and thereby the back terrace we can easily give sheet, truffle sheet, thereby reduce the heat and more utility area. Usually when people give two-story building, bedrooms will be given in the front. In the front we cannot give truffle sheet because it is awkward. Here, front portion is fully covered, thereby the backside sheet area will not be visible. That can be given so much economically. Only 100 rupees per square feet of a sheet area will come. And with only one bedroom, a beautiful elevation you can see here. And one particularity here, even though the land area is only 12 cents, lot of frontage is given for the house. What happens if there is not enough front area? In future, roads will be widened and your front courtyard will be gone, even your house will be gone. And also here you get more space for additional parking, for lawn, garden, etc. Lesser disturbance of the road, dust, etc. Now let us see the foundation part. Here, rubble foundation is given for the whole building. I have said in another video that whenever possible, go to the strong lateritic soil. Here, in some portions, laterite strong soil was found at 2 feet and 3 feet, whereas in some other portions, laterite was found 7 feet and above. Whenever there is lateritic soil in some portion, all other portions we have to go deep down such that we find the good lateritic soil. Otherwise, unequal settlement will come, that is very, very dangerous to the building. And since there was more depth for the foundation, dry rubble was used for the foundation part, that is below the ground level, and then rubble concrete was used for the basement, that is rubble filled with metal, sand and cement, that is rubble concrete. Over the basement, the belt is given. Along with the belt, whole area of the floor is concreted. Here, since there is more depth of foundation, dry packed, there is a possibility that some portions of the rubble construction may not be done 100% accurate by the masons, and the slight settlement of the rubble may come. Thereby, an additional precaution is taken here. That is, along with the belt, an additional wing is given to the belt. For all the inner walls, two side wing 35 centimeter each, and for all the outer walls, one side wing or projection is given. This projection portion is given the same thickness as 15 centimeter of the belt concrete, and it is given 8mm or steel in the bottom, 12 centimeter spacing in the cross direction, and in the long direction 18 centimeter spacing. Here, if there is any weakness for the rubble construction, the belt won't be cracked, because the compacted earth will take some load. The load from the wall will be shared to the compacted earth portion. The cantilever projection from the belt will take care of any eventuality, any mistake in rubble construction. So, additional safety for the foundation. And in the inner portion of the rooms, what is done is nominal steel reinforcement, 6 mm bar, 20 centimeter is provided as temperature reinforcement. That is given only 3 inches depth, and the whole area is concreted in one stretch. The advantage is there will not have any thermite for the whole house all throughout its lifespan, because thermite is not able to penetrate good concrete. It will never penetrate a reinforced concrete. Reinforcement is given for the whole area, because in the case of lack of compaction of earth, the concrete may crack and thereby thermite may enter. That is how the whole area is given reinforcement. I have said in another video that the cost will not increase because we save in scaffolding. We save in cost when the belt concrete and flooring concrete is done in the same day. Two different concretes will cost more. So without any extra cost, here we have avoided thermite permanently, and here by giving additional flange to the belt, we have made the safety of the building, safety of the foundation many times. So when you construct the foundation, follow this method. If you have got any doubt about the quality of the rubble construction, and if it is dry rubble, give additional flange, additional wing to the belt, and whenever you make a home, you make whole floor concrete in one stretch. Thereby, thermite is permanently avoided. Thank you.